Hello and welcome to Anago School of Maths. I'd like to introduce you to a method I have used for more than 15 years to help students achieve grade 9 in mathematics and in further mathematics for both GCSE and also A-level students achieving A-star grades. The method is by going through past exam papers. I put together a booklet with 18 exam papers, 6 paper 1, 6 paper 2, and 6 paper 3. And this exam started in 2017, so the papers go from 2017 up to 2022. And the reason why this is very important method for your child to learn and succeed is because they have all the questions together in one booklet. And they would answer the questions in the booklet, and they'll go to another paper, they'll answer the questions, and they can refer to it. And if they complete this booklet, they give them a great chance of passing and getting top grades, because the more they do it, the more they start thinking like an examiner. As an examiner, I mark the exams, and I understand what it means for students to go into an exam without knowing the kind of questions they can get. While doing this method, your child will become very confident. I highly recommend this method of learning. This book is not expensive. I'll put the link down below and you can just click on the link or WhatsApp me. And I'm also going to make videos for every question. And I'll put the link as well. So when your child attempts a question, they can watch the video and see how it's done by professionals and how it's marked. So they will be confident when they get to the exam, they'll be able to answer the questions themselves. GCSE students, I recommend they use this calculator, the ClassWiz. But for A-level students, they will use the CG50. This is a calculator that helps them to plot graphs and to get corrections and to check their answers at the end. So it's very important. I know the calculators are expensive. If your child needs an A grade to make it to the top universities, and most of my students, and I'll put the link for some of the students that have made it to top universities like Oxford, Cambridge, UCL, and they'll tell you this method of learning, it's very, very important if they have to sit an exam. It takes out fear from the students and instills in them confidence. This book is cheaper than one lesson with the private tutor, and you will have access to videos, explanation for every single question. The child's learning would be productive, and you can see for yourself which questions they couldn't answer. And then you will know exactly which questions for them they need to seek help with. So do not forget to click on the link below to order your copy. And the plan is for the students to do one paper a week. So there's 18 papers, that's 18 weeks, and they will do it in 4 months roughly. So by the end of January, they should have finished and they'll be ready for their exam, which is in June. And that will take the pressure from them and they can go and revise their other subjects. And for those students who need extra lessons, feel free to click on my link or email me or WhatsApp me, and I'll provide extra lessons for you to help you to make sure you achieve the grades that you deserve. I hope this method that I used myself when I was studying, and I've used it for more than 15 years with so many students all over the UK, and I've used it for students in Dubai, China, the US, because the world now is online. You don't have to fly to any country to pay for expensive education, pay for expensive accommodations. All you need to do is have access to the internet and have a booklet like this that contains all the questions and all the techniques that you need, and have access to my videos. And I provide for you professional solutions to all the questions. So I have here Miss Angembe. She's also a professional teacher in a school in the United Kingdom. And she too is using this method with her students, and hopefully you will be able to see the grades and you can see your child succeed once you get one of these. Thank you very much. And I hope you get one for your son or your daughter. And you can see last year, The students were so happy. So many parents were happy. They had so many students had excellent grades. So it's all for you to try it. There's a saying that if you don't try, you will never know. So thank you very much.